Brazen robbery caught on CCTV footage after some garbage collectors on their way to work were held up and robbed by an individual traveling on a motorcycle. The police have so far launched an investigation into the matter. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links WSM TV. Let's talk. If it's the first time you're watching, please do the golden rule and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. So what we want to talk about today on the program is a situation that took place in a section of Kingston 6 to be exact, in which some garbage collectors, 4 to be exact, were walking in a section of a community when they were held up and robbed by an individual traveling on a motorcycle. Now, what transpired in this situation is very sad, and it's sad to the point where look on the people that are being robbed, people that are just individuals trying to make ends meet in this difficult pandemic of the coronavirus. And when we see what transpired in this video, it's very sad to see how the people of society are thinking. They believe as if the only way in order for them to sustain themselves is to rob other individuals of their valuables. This situation could have gone far worse though, considering the fact that an individual actually tried to make a run for it during the whole entire robbery process. But I'm about to share this video with you. Now I'm about to provide also my own personal input in relation to the video. So let's go over to the video right now on Links W7 TV. So as you could see there, the bike rode past, and now the bike is going to make a U-turn and actually go towards the people that are coming on this stretch of roadway. Now as you see there, the people did not became suspicious of the whole entire proceeding, but just look on what unfolded once the individuals actually walked past this motorcycle. So there you see the individual came off the bike and actually pulled what appears to be a firearm. As you could see there, that individual there in the shirt made a run for it, trying to escape this daring daylight robbery in the Kingston 6 area. As you could see there, he is being robbed of his valuables, and now the individual actually went back on the motorcycle and made good his escape in the area. Now when we look on what is going on in our country and in our world at large, it's very sad, especially when you see situations such as these happening. And these individuals, they are trying people, they are not rich individual. Not to say that this is supposed to happen to rich people. I don't support crime and violence in any form or in any shape. And it's sad to see that our youths are just thinking the fact that the only way for them to sustain themselves is to turn to crime and violence. We have seen a number of youths, especially in their teenage years going into their early 30s, are resorting to crime and violence, and especially robbery, as a form or a way of means of sustaining their own personal life. Now that is very sad, and it's very alarming to see the spades of crime that is taking place among this age group. And even though the police are trying their very best to maintain law and order, much more needs to be done, especially for these youths that are graduating from high school, and more input of parents are needed within the grooming of these students, especially in the Caribbean, when we see what is going on in relation to crime and violence as it's escalating out of control more and more each day. I'm not going to blame the government, I'm not going to blame the parents per se, but it's a general problem that we're having. And I believe the moral breakdown in the homes as well is a contributing factor to the level of crime and violence that we're having currently in the situation. When we look at most households right now, some of these students, they are growing themselves. Some don't have any fathers, some don't have any mothers, right? And this moral breakdown of values in society is a main trigger for what is going on in our world right now. And it's very sad to see the situation that many are faced with. And it's very sad to see the way in which life is going after so many years. People just think as if this is the only way out of what they're having or the challenges that they're facing. I just want to appeal to the youths out there, just try find some other way and means of sustaining yourself. Turning to violence, turning to crime is not the way. It will only end you up in two places, either in the morgue or actually in the police custody. So you have to consider the fact that you have life. We only have one life to live. Try and propel yourself in a direction of positivity. Try and propel yourself in a direction where you believe you are being of value to society. Crime and violence is not the way out. But this video is very sad to see what transpired in there. And you can just drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you feel about this video. Do you believe that these individuals, they were shaken up? Do you believe that this was a targeted attack? Or do you believe that this individual just targeted this set of people because he knew what they had on them? Just drop it in the comment section. I look forward to hear your response. This is Links WSM TV. Let's talk, and peace out and blessed and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to support the movement of Links WSM TV. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.